Hey there, outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gonna take your backyard gatherings to the next level with the top 3 best outdoor kitchen kits on the market. Whether you're a barbecue aficionado or a grill master in training, these kits will surely elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Before we jump in, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's dive right in. Number 3, Backyard Discovery Outdoor Kitchen Kit. Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level? Look no further than the Backyard Discovery Outdoor Kitchen Kit. This kit is the ultimate outdoor cooking solution for those who want restaurant quality results in the comfort of their backyard. With its premium, heavy-duty stainless steel cooking grates and even heat dispersion flame tamers, this grill ensures an even high-quality cooking experience every time. With a main cooking surface area of 648 square inches combined with an additional 198 square inches of secondary cooking, you'll have 846 square inches of cook surface to work with. What sets this grill apart is its restaurant-quality sear capability. Equipped with a 5-burner design and a sear zone, this grill delivers 72,000 total BTU cooking performance. And if that's not enough, it also features an infrared rotisserie burner for those succulent, slow-roasted meats. Whether grilling up a juicy steak or slow cooking a rotisserie chicken, this grill will deliver perfect results every time, which makes it our top overall pick. Number 2, Monteagle Outdoor Kitchen Kit. To elevate your barbecuing game, look no further than the Monteagle Outdoor Kitchen Kit. This grill dons a sleek black stainless steel finish, injecting a modern flair into any outdoor setting. It shines in aesthetics and functionality, boasting a quick heat-up time courtesy of its powerful 63,000 BTU capacity. This means less waiting around and more time enjoying your grilling masterpieces. One standout feature is its suitability for concealed patio placement, making it a perfect fit for intimate backyard cookouts. It also has an infrared rear burner, a rotisserie kit, and a granite countertop, adding luxury to your outdoor cooking. The storage cabinets provide convenient storage for your grilling tools, and the full weather cover ensures its protection against the elements. Number 1, we have the Lion Outdoor Kitchen Kit. The Lion Outdoor Kitchen Kit offers a transformative upgrade if you're searching for the optimal culinary setup. This outdoor kitchen kit comes complete with a refrigerator, door, and drawer combo and a drop-in sink. Aside from the comprehensive setup, the grill itself distributes heat efficiently across its surface, ensuring evenly cooked, mouth-watering meals every time. What is more, nighttime grilling becomes a breeze thanks to its well-designed lighting system that illuminates not just the grilling area, but also the control knobs. This feature removes the guesswork and lets you focus on perfecting your meals, making it an excellent choice for evening get-togethers. And there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best outdoor kitchen kits. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious grill master, investing in the right outdoor kitchen kit can transform your backyard into a culinary oasis. Be sure to check the links in the description below. For the latest prices and availability, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for tuning in and happy grilling.